Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Would die for you. I would
Bro, it does not say you cannot make a left turn here! Damn! Dumbass! Late now with you with the clock now. It's first night, but you know I can't chase her. I'm drinking me with no chase. Fuck, I can pull that little baby, get chill. Come on! I leave with a boss. Set up in the bins, you hear it. Soft, I smoke good, yeah, make me cough. Fight nigga play, get put in the cough. I have the power like Alice. Yeah, you swerve, but I'm not get your cough.
Jesus Christ! What the asshole? Jesus!
Save, hot sauce drip. Everybody wants to first no listen. Now attention. Now 10 feet. God taking when the horn blow, y'all.
Oh my god, I almost got hit.
I've actually turned the volume up to like a meteor impact volume. This is a surprise for later. And so I get out and I see like a bunch of like EMTs and fire
Brand new round.
But it's given her hope, because once you talk to that guy, I said, that was divine intervention. We were saying last night, you need somebody that lives there to talk to you, and let you know what they think. And here this guy's been there for like 14 years. He probably can't afford to go anywhere else. But he was really nice. She helped him quite a bit with his nebulizer that he needed to buy and all that stuff. So, anyway.
Now racing up next to me on my right side, yelling and screaming at me, but I got my windows up. I can't hear him. I'm focused on the road. Oh wait, I think I did flip him off, but yeah, I'm just having a nice conversation with my mom.
can't open my door.
I got you. Yo, what the? Oh my God. Holy. Where's my phone? Yo, give me your phone, Sit down, both of you. I got it.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.